I was cleaning his cage and looked over there and he peed right. Well, he didn't pee on the nuts. He peed on the top of the.
Hoo-hoo! Look at me. I'm taking a video. Hoo-hoo!
Hootie. Stay in bed. Don't get so close.
My mama and Hootie.
Yeah. Crazy lady and a squirrel.
Yep.
Let's go right for my hair.
Where are you?
Isn't that pretty, yet? Come here. Good idea. Come here. Come on, look at Arch. Look. Here.
Get the candy, get the candy.
Well, you can't wait all day for Hootie.
Do the tea thing, Mama.
What?
The tea thing. They can drink out of your tea.
I don't want to slurping today. He slurps. Gotta get no floaties in there.
Alright, now watch him. Watch him wipe his mouth off. Whenever he's done.
Alright, wipe your mouth.
Wipe your mouth.
He wiped his mouth on Memo's arm.
He's still doing it.
He's got good manners, don't he?
Yes, he does.
He's a rotten egg, what he is.
He said, Mama, can I wait now?
Did you see the crown?
No, stop! No!
He's just looking at it.
He
Listen.
loves your crown.
He's just looking at it.
No.
He's just looking at it.
Crown, Hootie. He said, where'd it go? I want it back again.
Here.
Thank you.
He said, thank you, Sasha.
Uh-oh.
Mama, he said, thank you, Sasha.
I know, but he might chew it up. Let's don't let him chew it up. She don't want you to chew it up.
Where'd
She
it
wants
go?
to wear it.
Ah! Oh, okay, there you go.
That's her beautiful crown.
Here, boy. Boy.
Let's get a picture with her, him, and the princess. Look at Arch. Turn around and look at Audrey. No, you don't. Look at Arch.
It's still